Now we're gonna make a grass area for the animals that we're gonna make later on. I'm gonna use a clay. Before I mixed a little bit of brown inside the green so it can look more natural. This activity is good for the younger kids. We have here Chayale, which is 5 years old, and Miriam, which is 3 years old. This is more of a smearing activity. Chayale, I'm going to give you a little piece of clay, and you need to take pieces of it and just smear it down like this. Okay, Chayale? Here you go. And Miriam, you're going to have this Play-Doh too, this clay too. Take it and smear it around. We need to fill up the whole area because this is going to be what all our animals are going to stand on. It should look like a little zoo for us. Very nice. This is a very good motor skill for the kids, for the younger kids, and plus it's a lot of fun for them to do it. Right, Miriam? Here, look. You take the clay, and you just take a little bit and you smear it with your fingers like this. Like this. See, with your fingers. Smear it down. Okay? Very good, Chayale. Here, take some more because we need to cover the whole area. Here, Miriam. Go ahead. We need to have a lot of space here, a lot of green space. We're going to put all the animals that we're going to make later on. Very nice. On the sides too. Just smear it with your fingers. Here is what it looks like after they finished, and we're going to use it as the playground for our little animal zoo that we're going to make.